at your phone. New girls in your feed like a rolling stone. Heart emojis at 2 a.m. Don't you dare say they're just friends. They like your smile, they like your style. They stick around, they stay a while. I try to breathe, but damn it stinks. You say they don't mean anything, but I've seen the way they look at you, and maybe that's why I come unglued. Yeah, they want your hands, they want your voice, but loving you is always my choice. You could play and I could too, but no matter what, I still choose you. They flirt, they text, they pull, they try, but I'm not her, and you're not that guy. Even when we fight like we're breaking in two, through all the noise, I still choose you. I step out in my heels so high, dress cut low and lips all dry, hair like waves, eyes lined tight, and every guy looks left and right. They bite their lips, they whisper low, but it's not them I dress up for. I see you watching through the flame. You're still the only one I'd blame. So when you say you're scared to lose, baby, I've got the same damn bruise. Yeah, they want your hands, they want your voice, but loving you is always my choice. You could play and I could too, but no matter what, I still choose you. They flirt, they text, they pull, they try, but I'm not her, and you're not that guy. Even when we fight like we're breaking in two, through all the noise, I still choose you. We burn, we break, we slam the door. We come back needing more. Call me jealous, call me wild, I'd still take you every time.